Every single person has the power to create change. Every day you have a choice. Choose to engage one. Parents are so very active behind the scenes, ensuring their students' needs are met before they ever step foot into the school's doors. And not each family is the same, which makes the EngageONE campaign so unique. How would you feel if you were new to a school, not knowing anyone or knowing how to get involved? It's not a good feeling to not know where to begin or who to go to for answers to questions about your students' education. Every day we challenge you to choose to engage one. It's never a good thing to be left alone or left out, but there is something you can do. You can partner with us. We can work together to build a stronger community. We see it happening every day. Engage families walking or driving students to and from school, attending after-school events together, helping students with homework, talking to their kids about career choices, checking teachers' blogs. The list is truly endless. Here at Cobb, that's what we do. We engage one another and build stronger connections. It is our responsibility to get to know people for who they really are and learn how families are supporting their students' learning beyond the classroom walls. I think we would all agree, we are stronger together. Encouraging each other is so powerful. Goal: student success.